We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for in returns for you to smash that like button. Tell me when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Prog, and Prog is continuing to fight to hold itself up through this consolidation period and not get back down to these lows. And after yesterday's explosive move, it continued into today and it's been pulling downwards again. And we're going to break it all down in today's data because the data just proves what is going on. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run of the day that I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. And we're going to jump right into it here with Prog and all the data, what it's showing. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%. But one of them turned out to be a home run, and it was phenomenal, guys. We caught KXIN pretty early on in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards before the bell. We got that first bull indicator, and through the volatility, it held to stay true, and it gave a highest point of 20% plus, guys. We caught it as it was running downwards, started to push upwards, gave a first run of 5 to 10%, pulled back down, 42 Vision 2.0 confirmation, 42 Vision, and ultimate 42 Vision bull indicator signifying the strength, and it gave a highest point of possibility of 20% plus. So if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Prog, and on 42 Vision, it is showing weakness and strength all through this volatility, but the most important part, it's showing strength from way down here. Now we're going to pull up ultimate 42 Vision as well, and you can now gain access to these premium indicators. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, and by joining the 42 Vision tier level, you'll gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to maximize on opportunities through the volatility in the markets and have confidence and clarity that you deserve within what's going on in the charts, no matter what goes on, right? So that's the goal, that's the purpose. Remove the guessing and focus in on what matters. So when we look here at Prog on the 30-minute, it's been pushing upwards since yesterday. We're still under that bull indicator, and it's creating a staircase effect, right? If we can break through resistance, it may continue to push up higher. And through this pullback here, we still have not seen a bear indicator pop up. Now we have seen the shifts of weakness, but it's shifted back into strength after that red candlestick here with 42 Vision with dark green and red borders. And if it can reverse from that and go back up with dark green and green borders and green and continue, it's going to show us a full shift of strength, and this bull indicator will hold true from way down here at 243 and it's way up here in the 250. So right now it's nearly up about 5% from that last indication, but today it hit highs of 270, nearly almost a 10 to 15% move since it was sent out. Super important to realize that, how powerful this is at what it sends out and what it measures within the volatility of the charts. Now, Prog is adding up to its data. We're going to look at that data together, but before we do, let's look at the 4-hour, let's look at the 1 day, and let's see what's going on. So right now, this had been under a bear indicator since way up here in the 5s and went to lows here of 213. On 42 Vision, you can see that shift. Usually this is extreme weakness and a reversal is bound to happen. And it happened, right? The last 2 times were a little bit weaker, but here we got some strength and it's been pulling downwards since, and it's slightly curvaturing back up. This is the key level to be aware of, that this bull indicator has been sent out since way up here and no bear indicators have been sent out here. So there's a specific level that has been met that if this holds to be true, we'll continue to see this push upwards with momentum and strength. The only thing is, that this is losing momentum pretty fast based off of 42 vision, because it went into dark green and now it's shifting back into dark green with red borders. If this shifts into red, well, that bear indicator we have not seen pop up might be on its way of popping up somewhere down here if this does not hold up with strength. But on the 4 hour, we're still holding up with a bull indicator, and we're going to look at the 1 day because this one's specific as well and important, and that is the fact that it's been under a bear indicator all this time. It's kind of leveled off, okay? That's what I've talked about in our last videos, but the new thing that shifted is this right here, okay? It went from red to green, and if this volume bar continues to grow as we see it and continues to compound in that upward direction, and we see more green bars, this could be the point of a possible reversal. If the 4 hour continues to hold, the 30-minute continues to hold, eventually we could see this reverse as well, cancel out this bear indicator, and somewhere along these lines a bull indicator will pop up, okay? That will be phenomenal, and excuse that handwriting and drawing, it's just terrible, but that says bull right there. We would want a bull indicator pop up way down here like it did here, canceled out that bear indicator, and look at that move. Now within all of that, this is based off the technicals and what the charts are showing. We also want to be aware of the short interest data and the potential and what's going on right now. And that's what we're going to break down here. So let's go right over here. And the days to cover, this has been probably one of the best parts of what's going on right now. It has been going up. The short interest has not updated here, but I'm sure it is actually going lower or actually getting higher due to the fact of the short ratio volume per day. And also this right here, guys, the short shares availability, we have seen this fluctuate from 0 to several hundred thousands back to 0, and this is the last update in the last 23 minutes, and that shows us how they're trying to take advantage of the flexibility, but the days to cover is trapping them, and we could see it based off the charts. I'm going to explain that in just a moment, how we could see here that the days to cover is trapping them, because before they were not trapped. They were actually able to move around and do as they please. So when we come down here though, I stated yesterday this number was going to be higher, and we saw it actually go from 48 to 53 today. I told you guys in yesterday's video, as it was reacting in the charts, we were going to see this number go higher due to the fact that the short shares availability was signifying that. And this days to cover here, how is it trapping them? Well, the last time that they actually made it run up was way down here at these levels, and it was from way down here at $2 all the way up to $3, and then quickly brought it right back down because the days to cover was 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. Now the days to cover is 1.24. Is that high enough? Not high enough as we want it for a huge short squeeze, but high enough to trap them that if they cover, they can't just collapse it right back down. And that's why we're seeing this happen, that they keep covering, but they keep bouncing around the same area. Those that actually try to cover and then re-short it, it kind of just bounces around the same area instead of doing what they did here, made it go up and come all the way back down here. So they're kind of just stuck in this consolidation area that if more shorts up here in this area and in this area get caught up in this and they get trapped, this could create a short squeeze effect that is pretty explosive like the ones we've seen before in the year. It's not guaranteed, but that's what everyone's expecting. That's what everyone's looking at, and the data is showing it. They are getting trapped, and the bulls need to hold up big time, because right now this is under a bull indicator on the 30-minute and the 4 hour, and the 1 day is starting to curvature. And if it can get a bull indicator, that is going to be significant as it starts to curvature back up and pull upwards with momentum and continue to trap shorts. Now this is the support I'm going to be watching, 249, and then all the way down here to 243. I know that's kind of tight window, but that's where the bull indicator was sent out. I want to watch and see if the bull's trying to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears try to tear this one down fairly fast. Now to the upside, this resistance level is key, 270, the high of the day. That definitely needs to be broken through, and then up here at 285, and then up here at $3, guys. Those are the key levels right now for the next several days as this continues to unravel. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Do you think this is going to squeeze? Do you think this is the consolidation before the explosion, or it's going to go back down and retest these lows of $2.14 to $2? I look forward to seeing those thoughts down below. If you want to receive clarity like no other, check out the link down below to the 42 Vision indicator. And by joining the 42 Vision tier level, you'll gain access to the daily watch list, home run opportunities we look for and strive for every single day, the weekly watch list, a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to maximize on opportunities. No matter what volatility is going on in the charts, you receive the clarity and confidence you deserve to maximize on these opportunities within the charts movements. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.